8-year-old autistic boy gone missing in Portmore. He was last seen at the community playground. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A high alert has been activated for 8-year-old Nevada Blackburn of Queens Avenue, Gregory Park in Portmore, St. Catherine, who has been missing since Saturday, May 24th. He is of dark complexion, slim build, and is said to be autistic. Reports from the Caymanas police are that sometime around 4:30 p.m., Nevada was last seen at the playground in the community. His mode of dress at the time he went missing is unknown. He has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Nevada Blackburn is being asked to contact the Caymanas police at 876-988-1719, the 119 police emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.